Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LookFantastic unboxing for you. It is the first one of the year. I'm so excited, and it arrived actually on time. You know, it was supposed to be here between the 11th and the 13th, and today is the 12th. And surprisingly, I only have two empties to talk about from the previous boxes, and it is a bit late in the day. There's absolutely no sun outside, and I also have no makeup on because I took a shower and already wash my face and put wash my face and put face cream on. I do not want to put makeup on and then take makeup off and then put face cream on again. You know me, it's just too much. So here it is. Let's open it up. This time it actually feels like a box again. I don't know what happened last year, but I think last year we got two pouches. Usually we only get them in summer because, you know, like technically usually summer is the time where people go on vacation, and you know, a travel makeup pouch is always nice to have, but last year we got two. It is purple. Bora. No coupons. Oh, they might be in here. Yeah, this is purple, lilac, lavender, whatever you want to call it. Let's open it up. Okay, so there is, you know, before I read this, there is no leaflet or pamphlet, but you have a code to scan. It says, read this month's Beauty Box magazine to get inspired by all your latest products, tips and tricks. That is good, you know, at least they give you something where you can find, like, a pamphlet. We want you to feel inspired. It's... Oh! I want to say it's very pink, but oh my god, this is something that I want to get for the longest time. Okay, so this is what the magazine looks like. Fresh start. A fresh start is, you know, the theme of the box probably. What's in the box? Okay, so the first thing is, I should get my glass for this. So this is the molten brown, bath and shower gel, orange and bergamot. Let me smell this. That smells nice. It smells a bit like, I hope I don't offend people, but it smells a bit old, you know. Maybe an old woman, but it's okay, like it's not the worst smell ever, right? So let me put my glasses on because I can read this. Infused with vitamin-rich orange oil, bergamot and neroli flower, the gel helps to leave skin nourished and radiant-looking post-rinse. Allow the senses to be transported to a Sevilla courtyard of orange trees as you lather. So this is the first one that we have. They always smell so good. I love having them. And surprisingly, I went shopping today and I bought another shower gel. If I would have known... Yeah, okay, so up next, then we have this here. Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum by This Works. This is a 2% hyaluronic acid and slow-release vitamin C to help plump and brighten morning skin. Can I smell this too? No, I can't. Oh, damn it. Last week I also bought a serum. I should just wait for these boxes to arrive. It will be much easier. Give skin an awakening boost of hydration with the hyaluronic enriched serum from This Works. Infused with slow-releasing vitamin C, the light cream formula helps to plump and brighten the complexion in the morning. I'm super excited to try that one out. Okay, up next is this. It's very dusty. And it looks like there's not much in. What the hell? Ah, okay, so all the product is on top. It needs to settle. So this is the Lumen Nordic Hydra Oxygen Recovery 72-hour Hydrogel Mask. It's vegan and it's made in Finland. The mask provides ultimate non-stop hydration for dehydrated skin. Infused with replenishing organic Nordic birch sap, pure Arctic spring water, plumping hyaluronic acid, as well as hydrating Nordic bilberry water, combined with oxygen recovery materials, this ultra-fresh gel mask helps to reveal a healthy, bouncy, and plump look. By the way, I can tell you the price. So this is a deluxe size. This is £7. This is a deluxe size again. This would £18.50. And then the gel mask here is worth £4.90 and it's also a deluxe size. Deluxe size. Okay, so you can either use it as an instant mask, leave it on for 15 minutes and wipe off, or you can use it as an overnight mask, and you can leave it on overnight as the last step of your skincare routine. I will probably do that. You know what? I will keep the glasses on because it's just too much. Okay, up next we have coconut and fig hair mask. Ooh, with coconut oil and muru butter. It's also sealed. Oh my god, I need to smell things. By the brand Style Dry. A deluxe size. You know what I mean. It's worth £11. The super hair mask with coconut oil and moo butter is perfect for fabulous looking hair. It's the must-have hair mask for the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will look silky and shiny as never before. Leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Use 1 to 2 times per week as needed. Okay, it's not that bad, but this is what I'm most excited about. This is the Brushworks Scalp Massaging Brush. I'm sure you have seen this before. Because I still kind of do the curly girl method. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm trying. And it's nice to have something to help. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh, it's gonna be so nice in the shower. I love it already. This is the full size, and this is worth $7.99. Upgrade your hair washing routine with the Brushworks Massaging Shampoo Brush. Designed to gently exfoliate and massage your scalp, this hair care tool stimulates healthy hair growth while controlling dandruff and excess oil buildup. With a sleek design that is easy to grip when wet, this brush can be used with your favorite shampoos or oils. Simply remove the silicone bristles around in circular motion and you're good to go. Yes, oh, I'm so excited. Like I said, I wanted this for the longest time and now I have it. Next time I wash my hair, this will be used. As you know, I only wash my hair every other day, so tomorrow I have to take a normal, quick shower and then the day after tomorrow. Yes, I was looking at this on Amazon, you know, like different brushes. Okay, so then we have another this or that. So you either get the, hold on, Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm, or you get the Lanolips 101 Strawberry Ointment. That's what I got. This is the full size and is worth $8.99. All the healing, hydrating, wondrous, multi-purpose benefits of Lanolips multi-award-winning 101 ointment, but with added vitamin E and glorious all-natural strawberry extract. It's Lanolips' little tube of magic. Warm the ointment between your fingers or apply directly onto the lips. So I think this looks super cute and I will try it out right now. This is so cool. This looks like vintage, if that makes sense. Oh my god, you have to press so hard to get something out. Okay. I don't really get the strawberry taste. I mean, yeah, it is there, but it's very faint. It's mostly just Vaseline taste, if that makes sense. There's a bit of strawberry, but not a lot. So that was it. That was everything that was in the box. I'm excited, you know, like it's all skincare. I'm so happy about the brush. I'm so excited about this. I seriously cannot wait to try this one out. And then shower gel always works. You can make me happy with a shower gel. I'm so excited. And then these two I will try out and see how they work. So that's it. The story behind the box is inspiration, I guess. Then we have everything that's in the box. New year, new intentions. You know, if you want to exfoliate weekly or wear sunscreen daily and how to keep that up. Then the beauty team and their aspirations for the next year. 2 pages. Top tips for sticking to your intentions. Scalp brush as always, yes. How to use this, what the benefits are. Oh god, I love it. I cannot wait. And what's coming up? Oh, a sneak peek is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Eye Color eyeshadow pencil in shade Doo-Wop. It looks like a gold shimmer. Okay, we'll see. And that's it. So let me quickly talk about 2 of the products here. They are both hair products. I like this one more than this. Christophe Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with sea salt. First off, it smells so good. It smells so amazing. Very fresh, very summery, a bit like a cologne. It's very strong too, so if you're a bit sensitive to scents, this might not be for you, but oh, I just love it. Absolutely love it. And it is literally with sea salt. Like I don't know what they do with this, but when you take it out of the tub, you can feel the grains of salt in your hands. But as soon, and when you put it on your scalp as well, but as soon as you rub it in, like I always do in circular motions, it just disappears and turns into a foam. I have no idea, like I said, what magic that is, but I love it. It really cleans your scalp and hair, makes it squeaky clean to the point where it's almost a bit too drying, but that's nothing that conditioner can help. I love it. If it wasn't so expensive, I'm sure it is, I would 100% repurchase it. It's so nice. I love it. Then this conditioner, I unfortunately only used twice, I think. Is the Color Extend Magnetics Color Captivating Care for Color Treated Hair by Redken. I dyed my hair, was it January 2nd? I think. You can't really see it anymore, like the color itself was not very vibrant or intense to begin with. but I did color my hair, so I figured I could use this. You know, it gave me a nice opportunity to use this up. Only use it twice. And from what I can tell, it smelled good, it made my hair soft, it made it shiny. That's all, you know. I only use like conditioner from top of the ear down. Like I don't really use anything on my scalp. Yes, I can recommend it, I guess, but I didn't really see it make my hair last longer or protect, not my hair last longer, my hair color last longer or protect it or whatever, but you know, it did a nice job with making it soft and shiny, so it is good. So that was the video. Let me know if you have ever tried any of these things. This is okay, it feels a bit thick on the lips, you know, like sticky. You have a very weird aftertaste. Oh, it's vegetarian apparently. And you can, I think, use it for everything. Yes, you can also put it on your skin, so I think that's what I'm gonna do because I don't like the taste of it. Because you would think, wow, it is full of strawberries. Why it's called strawberry? Like, you know, like this. It's literally in the name, but it's just not tasting like strawberry. It tastes like Vaseline. Obviously, you should not eat your lip balm, right? But you know, if you have something on your lips that might accidentally get into your mouth, it should taste good. Like I said, let me know if you had any of these products before, what you think of them, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.